How do you handle the holidays? Today, I have a prescription for living that doesn't include pills.
Jamie Sue Johnson, executive coach and motivational speaker, takes you on a journey to dream it, design it, do it. Welcome to Live It with Jamie Sue.
Thanks for joining me today. Again, in this episode, we are talking about the holidays. In today's world, we seem to want to take a pill for everything to make it better or get through it, whatever it is. And why shouldn't we have a headache or aches and pains or upsets with all of our headlines on TV, online, and in the newspapers, publishing doom and gloom all around us? It's tough to keep mentally and emotionally strong. Well, in working with me as your coach or in leading my seminars, I suggest this prescription for living. 1. Live fully. Ask yourself, are you living your best life? Are you healthy and active and alive, eating up life? Are you getting better, or are you just trying not to get worse? Love. If you don't love yourself and what you're doing in your life, it's probably time for a change. Love passionately and expressively. Share and express your love for yourself and for others and your work. We take things so seriously in today's world. We need to lighten up. So laugh is step 3 on our prescription. Deep belly laughter is healthy. It gets you breathing and it's totally contagious. Listen to your heart, number 4, especially at this holiday time. Make sure you're taking time for you and that you're doing things that you really enjoy. Instead of beating yourself up for the stuff that goes awry, how about taking the learning and letting the rest go? Shift to the gift of the situation. What if your life was set up for you to win, even when shift happens? When shift happens, shift to the gift and take the life's lesson. Number 5 is learn. Number 6, we spoke about this in our last episode, and it's so important that I have to bring it up here again. An attitude of gratitude is vital. If we focus on the good stuff, we get more of it. Be grateful for the small things in life, and it will open up your heart. And speak it loud for others. It's a small gift that costs you nothing. Say thank you. This is the only prescription you'll need to get through the holidays and live a great life. It's called the 5 L's plus gratitude. To live, love, laugh, listen and learn, and be grateful. As an expression of my appreciation for you joining us today on Live It, go to nakamalive.net and sign up to download your free ebook. Use my ebook, Drive Your Destiny, as a workbook to dream it, design it, and do it. In our next session on Live It, we will be celebrating our accomplishments from the past year so we can free up our energy to create our goals for 2014. Dream it, design it, do it. Join us next time on Live It.
Thank you for watching this episode of Live It with Jamie Sue Johnson. For more great information, visit her website at nakamalive.net. Also browse the other shows found right here at Columbus Biz TV Shows.